Oh, look at the sick people.
Oh, that's me.
How are things going?
Nansi, I'm dying, please.
What are you drinking, Sam?
Oh, I'm drinking Dexy.
Żeby myślimy.
Hello everyone, this is Sam.
Hi, I'm Nancy, and today we are continuing our fun K-UNESCO Adventurers.
Woo! Last episode, I was caught by a zombie, and this time, I need to get killed.
Yeah, and we don't really know what this dongi bogam is, so we need to find it somehow. And by the way, Sam, where is your mask?
Oh, do you really have to remind me?
Well, I mean, come on now.
Okay,
Yeah.
here we go.
Go for it. Uh-huh. Yeah, that's better.
Nancy,
Yeah?
are you sure this is the place PD talked about?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the place where you can find dongi bogam.
Whoa, then let's go check it out.
Let's drop by one of those stores and see if we can find dongi
I
bogam.
totally agree. I want to be healed.
안녕하세요. 동기보금 찾고 있는데요. 혹시 여기서 살 수 있을까요?
그런데 이런 데 없어요. 한방지능센터 박물관에 있어요. 거기 가서 구입하세요.
감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Let's go. Okay, we're going.
I don't know what these stores are selling, but then the streets look so amazing.
I know, and they smell so like unusual and herby. It's like we can make a potion with those stuff. Wow.
That's right.
Okay, so the shop owner told me that we can get the dongi bogam over here, and maybe we can help you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is the place. Okay, let's go. I don't think dongi bogam is on the wall. Oh, Sam, look at this. That's not dongi bogam, but that's so cool. Whoa.
Perfect.
Whoa.
The times in the Joseon Dynasty.
Oh, look at the sick people.
Oh, that's me.
You can wait.
That's me doing the dance.
This is not working definitely.
It's coming. Now you.
어, 죄송해요. 안녕하세요. 그거 혹시 우리는 동기보감 찾고 있는데요. 어떻게 살 수 있어요?
동의보감.
네.
네, 동의보감을 살 수는 없고요. 네, 돈 주고 살 수는 없고 저 위에 가면 있는데 한번 가서 같이 보시겠어요?
네, 보고
네, 그러면
싶습니다.
한번 같이 보이시는 이게 바로 동의보감입니다.
그러면 책이군요.
네, 맞아요. 동의보감은 책이에요.
그렇군요.
근데 이 책은 사실 아무나 살 수 없는 한국의 아주 중요한 문화유산, 문화재라고 합니다. 그래서 이 동의보감은 지금으로부터 약 300년 전에, 네, 거의 300년 전에 허준이라고 하는 아주 유명한 의관이 계셨어요. 그분이 왕을 치료하던, 조선이라고 하는 나라의 왕을 치료하던 의관이었는데, 그분이 쓰신 책이 바로 이 동의보감이에요. 여기는 바로 서울 양령시 한의학 박물관이라고 하는 곳인데요.
You understand what this is about?
No.
Well, basically, Bongidongam is not a medicine. It's a book.
What?
Yeah, it's a book that consists all the ways that you can take care of this, and also apparently this is a museum that holds this book that is 300 years old, I think.
Then can we get a book now?
No, we can't buy it. It's protected by UNESCO.
All right.
Yeah, so we have to figure something else out.
Please give me my face.
Well, okay. Okay, so Sam, I guess we discovered what we came for.
Yes.
Yes, and apparently they have something prepared for us. It's Chinese characters. Hold on,
Says
wait.
Nancy.
Nancy?
So,
Wait, Nancy, you're a Joseon Dynasty physician. Oh, look at that.
oh, Nancy, you are?
Find traditional Korea herbal medicine drawers and get the following herbs to make a special medical recipe for Sam. You have 10 minutes. What? And you, Sam, you should go upstairs to get treated.
Whoa.
Wait,
so
how-
that means I get to take off my mask and I get to get treated? There we go.
Wait, how does that make sense? So I get to suffer more and he gets to enjoy treatment? That's not fair. I want to
you,
get
Nancy.
treated too. So guys, now I'm going to change into the clothes of a real Joseon physician and save the world. Wow, look at that! I look like the actress from the TV series Kingdom. Pirinim, can you take a photo for me? What? 8 minutes left? Oh my God, what are you talking about? You can't do that to me. What is this? Wait, where are my cards? Where are my cards? Where do I start? Where do I start? No, okay. So we have Donkey Bogum here. So it makes sense that we find drawers over here. Woo! Drawers! Drawers! Okay, drawers. It looks like a star. It looks like a star. Let's think of it as a star. Oh! Oh!
So good. After all, being bitten by a zombie is not a bad idea. Whew. Oh, this is so good. What's a life?
Oh, we have more here. We need to find Dechu. This is the only thing I know. Oh, I remember the carrot. There's a star. Let's look for the star. Hanja. That's not it. I'm a physician from Bulgaria. I speak Abavagadajazi. Where is it? Aha! Oh, Dechu is called Jujuba? What is that? Do I take it? Eat it?
Read it.
Health benefits of jujube. Helps you sleep better, soothes anxiety, rich in vitamin C, regulates blood pressure. How is that going to help Sam? I do need it now for my stress because Nansi, spider pictures. What is that? Now we have one last thing. It looks like a human being with a 4-pack human. How much time do we have left? Is Sam okay? Do we call him?
2 minutes. Okay, you have 1 minute to call Sam.
1 minute to go. Give me a phone. I don't have a phone.
Oh, that's right, Joseon.
Yeah, Joseon physician. No, but you need. I don't know your password. Okay.
Oops. Oh, Nancy.
Come on.
Nancy. Please hurry.
Okay, Sam. Wait, how are you? How are things going?
I'm dying. Please hurry with the medicine.
Yes, okay. I have one thing left. It's like the third one. It's a 4-pack man, whatever. I'm gonna find it and I'm going to you. Don't worry. I'm here. I'm almost done.
Oh, really? No, just take your time.
Okay? Just come at your own pace.
But you just say you're dying.
Yes, I am dying, but just take your time and come at your own pace.
How does that make sense?
Okay, yes. All right, thank you.
Did he just hang up on me? He just hung up on... Yo, Pidin, take your phone. 4-pack... Is that a 4-pack, man? That's not fair. Pirinim, you gave me this kind of print, and here, cameraman, check this out. This is calligraphy. Look at his legs. These legs are... Maybe it's hangi? Ah! Ooh! Licorice. Wait, isn't licorice like candy? Doesn't look like candy. Gotta save Sam. Gotta save Sam. Sam. Sam! Are you okay?
Nancy?
What are you doing?
You are back?
Yeah, what? You don't seem so sick to me.
I was just getting treated.
What kind of treatment is that? I ran around everywhere. I had to read pictures, not text. And you're just chilling here? Pidin just told me there is no prize for me.
No, there is a prize.
Excuse me, can we follow me, cameraman? Let's get someone into camera. Let's document Nancy.
You're going to make an oil.
How is that a gift if I have to make it myself?
Very good for your
How does
skin.
that make any sense? I thought to get.
Okay, no time. Cut.
Okay, so guys, now our beautiful curator is going to explain how to create this potion thing, oil maybe. Here you go, our beautiful curator.
뷰티풀 룩. 네, 오늘은 여기에서 그 자웅구 오일이라고 하는 걸 만들 거예요. 이거는 피부에 아주 좋은, 피부에 바르는 오일인데요. 13가지의 약재가 들어가요.
Where is their sweets here?
네, 자냐.
자, 2개.
혹시 사상체질이라고 알아요? 사상체질. 사상체질은 태양인, 태음인, 소양인, 소음인이라고 해서 사람을 4개의 체질로 구별하는 거예요. 머리가 크고 목이 두껍고 하체는 가는 사람은 태양인, 덩치가 크다 라고 하면 양, 덩치가 작다 라고 하면 그리고 위에가 크다 라고 하면은 태양인 또는 소양인, 내가 하체가 발달됐다 또는 태음인, 소음인.
So if I have a muscular upper body, what kind of body type am I?
그냥 생김새로만 봐서는 maybe 쌤은 태양인?
태양인?
태양인은 약간 지도자, 대통령 막 이런. 네. 그리고 약간 낸시는 소양인, 아주 밝은 사람들.
밝은 사람?
네. 그리고 활발한 사람들, 적극적이고. 하지만 뒤처리가 약해요. 거의 다 되신 것 같은데
네.
이제 진짜 한번 넣어볼게요. 지나서 한 달이 지나면 30일이 지나면 이렇게 색깔이 빨개져요.
오.
이게 이거예요.
오.
Oh, that is after 1 month, right?
After 1 month, so we have to wait.
Oh, this is so cool. I can't wait.
So guys, now that we cured Sam and we got our beautiful gifts, and we can go and enjoy some treatment. See you in a few.
Oh my God, Nancy, I had so much fun and learned a lot today.
Yeah, me too. What was your favorite part?
Oh. You know, the part where I was having this massage and having the best time of my life whilst you were trying to find herbs.
Well, you're really mean, you know that, right?
Come on, I'm kidding. I love the part I got to learn about the 4 body types and getting to know that I am a Taeyangmin, which means I have an upper body and somebody who aspires to be a president or a leader. That gives me a purpose in life. And I think I'm going to look up to that. What about you, Nancy? What was your favorite part?
Well, my favorite part was when I got to dress up as a traditional Joseon physician.
Ooh,
Yep.
so
I
we
did not enjoy running though.
Oh, so we have a physician and an aspiring president. Cheers to that.
Cheers to you too.
All right, guys. So we have come to the end of our UNESCO journey. But you know what? Let's watch this whole video and tell us your favorite part. And also in the comment section, write down what you want to try when you come to Korea.
Stay tuned, guys.
Yes, and push up your notification bells so you get to see the next episode.
Yes, guys. Bye. Bye. So what are you drinking?
Oh, I'm drinking jujube.
Jujube. Oh, it's daechu in Korean. Well, I'm enjoying my meshik.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Korean plum.